Tired of seeing that dreaded declined message when you're trying to send money on Cash App? Let's fix that right now. First, the most obvious, but often overlooked, make sure you actually have enough money in your Cash App balance or linked bank account to cover the payment. Open Cash App and check your balance displayed on the screen. Next, double-check that the debit card or bank account you're using is linked correctly and up-to-date. Tap the profile icon, scroll down to linked banks and cards, and confirm that your card details €, the card number, expiration date, and CVV €, are all accurate. Even a small typo can cause a decline. Cash App has security measures to flag suspicious activity. Head to your profile icon, scroll down to privacy and security, and review recent activity if anything looks unfamiliar. Change your password immediately. Also, verify your phone number and email associated with Cash App. Unverified accounts can have limited transaction amounts, leading to declines. A poor internet connection can also interrupt payments. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection before attempting to send money. Try switching between Wi-Fi and data to see if that helps. Finally, if you've tried everything else, it's time to contact Cash App support directly. Tap your profile icon, scroll down to support, and explain the issue you're experiencing. They can often provide more specific reasons for the decline and help you resolve it. Don't hesitate to reach out. They're there to help. And that's it. By checking these common issues, you should be able to get your Cash App payments working smoothly. Again, if this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more Cash App tips and tricks.